everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a challenge type thing. I'm actually not a big fan of challenge videos, so I really don't want to say that. It's more just like it's a challenge for me personally to do this, so that's why I said that. Basically, I saw Haley Pham and Rachel Cantu do this video, and I thought it looked like so much fun. I'm getting used to my short hair. It's really different. I think I really like it, and I thought going along with, you know, a fresh haircut, why not do another thing that I'm kind of scared of doing, which is wearing super colorful, crazy makeup in public for a week. I'm just gonna be doing this through the weekdays, so it'll be 5 days of colorful eyeshadow looks, and it is summer, but I'm going to be going places every single day. So tonight I have a friend that is actually on the TV show American Ninja Warrior, Caleb Auer. He's fantastic, such a sweet guy, and tonight we are going to a viewing party for the new episode of that with them and a bunch of other friends. So that's tonight. Tomorrow I'm getting coffee with a friend. Wednesday I'm going to see a friend's musical. Thursday I have a little birthday surprise for Judah because he's turning 20, and Friday I also think we're going to be celebrating his actual birthday with his family. So that on top of whatever else kind of comes up this week, people will be seeing me. I will not be able to hide the fact that I am wearing kind of out there makeup for, you know, rural North Carolina. Yeah. So I went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, and powder, which is why we are looking kind of washed out, just to save time. But I kind of quickly wanted to explain what my goal with all of this is. And I just really love colorful makeup. I have a bunch of inspo photos that I've taken and a bunch of ideas. So I tried to go through and think realistically what day I'm gonna be feeling which color, because I really like to do just what I'm in the mood for when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I kind of tried to plan based on which days I would have more time as well. So today is Monday, day 1, and I think what I want to do, because I'm just feeling in the mood for it today, is a Kylie Jenner inspired green eyeshadow look. I'll insert it up here. It's not fully green, but green is a big featured color in the look. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but I knew that I didn't want to just do like a full lid of a solid color every day. I want to keep this interesting for you guys and also give you some good inspo. So we're gonna be doing like some colorful inner corners, cut crease, halo eyes. I'm really excited for this. Don't know how it's gonna go. I will try to put all of the eyeshadows and answer any questions you guys have about the products I'm using in the comments. I have a bunch of my palettes out here. Really kind of afraid. I guess we better get started. Should I bring you guys in? All right, most of this may just be like time lapse. I'm not exactly sure how other people do this, so. But first things first, as always, we're gonna put a base on the lid. I'm gonna use a light concealer, and we're just gonna go in and go for it. So happy with how this is turning out. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of champagne pop on my pinky finger and put that in the inner corner, because I really like to match the highlighter that I put on my face to the highlighter that is on my inner corner. I just think it ties everything together so well. All right, I'm going to go off camera again really quickly to finish up the face. All right guys, finished up my brows and my face makeup and my lips. This is very up close and personal. I'm having a breakout this week, so we can appreciate those lovely bumps. Ain't no shame in it. So this is the finished look for today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go get some photos of this for the thumbnail probably, and then we will continue on with our day. Okay everybody, welcome back. It is day 2. Today is going to be the blue day. Excuse the bad lighting and possible like deathly storm sounds. It's been pouring like crazy all day and I've been trying to wait for it to be a little lighter to film this, but it's not happening. So I put up my studio lights. We tried to recreate what we did yesterday a little bit. We'll just have to see how it goes. I tried something different with my hair today. I don't know how I feel about it. It's like very 90s inspired. I wanted the curls to be tighter, just wasn't really happening for me. I've been so ready to do my makeup all day. We've got some inspo. Actually, that's kind of a lie. I don't know if I'm going cut crease or halo eye yet. We'll find out along the way. Let's get started, I guess. Alright, so this is the finished look for today. Definitely kind of rough. My skin isn't looking the greatest because out of all the weeks I decided to do this, I happened to choose that week, if you know what I mean. So my skin is breaking out and we're just a little bloated overall, and this was honestly so hard. The inspo picture I was using, I didn't realize it was silver she had on like the center and not blue, but we went through a lot to get here. Like I said, I've never really done a halo eye before. Blue day, I'm ready to conquer it, even though it's literally almost 6 p.m. It's been such a long day, guys, but I am dedicated to this. I am determined, okay? This will not stop me. We did it. Bless you. Okay guys, so this is not what I'm wearing today, but we're gonna go ahead and do my makeup. It is day 3, and I think we're gonna do orange today, so yeah. Okay guys, it's very bright outside, but this is the finished makeup, if you can see it. Hopefully you can. I did not get a clip at the house because we are going to a show right now. Back, and it is way later. I've been wearing this makeup for several hours now, but my camera's SD card filled up right as I was trying to film that clip before we went in to see our friend's show. But I'll give you a little close-up of the eyeshadow. Yeah, so overall, I'm pretty happy with how this day turned out. I think it was really fun. That is going to be all for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Yeah. Hi everybody, and welcome back to day 4. Today is going to be the pink day, and I am really excited for this. I've been looking forward to it all week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so I know that the lighting has been changing a lot, and this has been kind of a hectic one, honestly, and I wasn't positive where I was going with it, but I think I really like how it turned out. I did a pretty neutral colored eye overall, but then I just did like a big pop of pink in my inner corner and inner tear duct, and then like a little bit underneath, and a really thick winged liner, and the same lashes I've been using all week. I'm probably gonna finish up the face and be back in a minute. Okay, so I just recorded a whole clip kind of showing you the finished look, but it wasn't recording, so we're gonna go over that again. This is the finished look. I added some pink blush, pink lip gloss. I'm really happy with how my skin turned out today and the overall look, honestly. Like, I think this is one of my favorites. It's a lot more wearable, kind of like Monday's. Like, it's not a full lid of color. I know that the liner and everything is still really intense, but to me, this is a much more wearable color look. I would probably feel comfortable going out like this even if I wasn't doing this challenge this week. And yeah, that is the look we came up with today. I'm gonna try to get some photos for the thumbnail again. My goal is to have one from each day that I can kind of line up, but we'll see how that works out. And tonight is the night I'm taking Judah out for his birthday dinner surprise thing, so I'm really excited for that. But I've really been enjoying it. I think it's so much fun getting to play with all of these different colors and challenge myself to create new looks each day and really play with makeup, because I love doing it, but sometimes I'm like, oh, I can't just, you know, wear this stuff out. But honestly, if you want to, you really can. Like, nobody is stopping you. People may think it's kind of weird, and I've definitely gotten some weird looks, but it's so much fun, and it's something that I really enjoy doing. So I don't know, I just think it's a really cool art form. Makeup is art to me, and I love it. Yeah, I will catch up with you guys a little bit later.
So far, the makeup is holding me up well. I really like it. I have salmon. I'm so happy. Our waiter is so sweet. Judah, is there anything that you would like to add? I don't know.
Happy Hanukkah.
So we finished dinner. Judah was very surprised, and now we're out here skateboarding. We do a lot more cool stuff than I can. I can just skate. That's all I have going for me at this point. I haven't fallen yet, but it's a very real fear. So like, guys, don't tell anyone yet, but like, I'm thinking about leaving YouTube to pursue my skating career. I think I'm the next Tony Hawk, you know, honestly. I can do nothing.
Hello again. Today is day 5 and it is the purple day. I am so excited. We're at the very end of this challenge now, and it has been so much fun. I have been so proud of myself being brave enough to wear these things out in public every day. It's definitely been very hard for me, but good. Today I was originally going to do like a purple smoky eye type deal. I'll insert a picture here. But now I think I want to go for something a little more like this. So I went and picked up an eyeshadow like that from Ulta today. I didn't really feel like doing a dark purpley thing today. I kind of wanted to do something a little lighter, a little more wearable. I was just feeling a different kind of purple than I originally planned. So hopefully you don't mind. Let's just get started. All right, everyone, so I went off camera and finished my face, and I honestly really love how the eyes turned out. Oh my gosh, okay. This is the finished eye look. I kept it really warm. Look at how that eyeshadow reflects, like, it's so beautiful and iridescent. Yeah, so that is the finished look for today. I'm probably gonna film a clip a little later just explaining what I think of the whole process. I will talk to you guys in a bit. Hello everyone, it is clearly a different day now. I just wanted to come back and finish this video up because I said I would film a clip, and then Friday just got really busy, and then the weekend got really busy. So I'm back again now. My overall thoughts on this challenge are that I really enjoyed it. It was a really good stretch for me. It put me out of my comfort zone, especially because I tend to stray really far away from colorful makeup just because I have so many skin issues most of the time, especially right now, trying to go through a process of clearing my acne, so my skin is kind of like purging itself, and I miss wearing makeup, and I don't want to let the fact that my skin isn't as great as it could be deter me from that, or just worrying about what other people think deter me from that. So I think this was a really good way to step out of my comfort zone. I think I did an okay job. I am definitely not the best person at makeup by any means, so please don't judge me too harshly in the comments. But if you did like anything I did, let me know which look was your favorite, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it inspired you to do something a little out of your comfort zone too. And that'll be it for this week's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and maybe get a coffee after or something.